Good morning. I am Lourdes Martinez, and today I learn Audiolingual Method. The main point of this method is teaching vocabulary and grammatical partner through dialogues to enable the students to respond quickly and accurately in spoken language. Moreover, we must take into consideration what are the problems that the students have when learning a new language and how this method will help them. In fact, the audiolingual method is one of them. And this method is very useful because it is no based on the comprehension of the word, but on the acquisition of the structure and partner in everyday dialogues. For example, students practice repetition and test themselves until the learners respond automatically. As equally important, teacher has a very important rules. Why? Because the teacher is the one who implement this method to help the students to be able to use the target language communicatively. In the video was mentioned that the one who teach the second language should take on the rules of a native speaker. On the other hand, the the method that caught my attention was transformation drills, because in these ways the students remember the structure and the students practice to change the sentence partner. For example, in these activities, the students change an active sentence into a passive one, or the direct speech into response speech. Question and answer drills. It's another activity that help students improve their skills like speaking and listening. And this activity, the students practice the target language with answering question and the question partner. For example, as you can see, the teacher said, "Where are you from?" And the students answer, "I am from El Salvador." So this activity helps students to to practice the skills and their knowledge. From my point of view, this activity helped me a lot because in this activity practice my speaking. And furthermore, their repetition drills is very useful when teaching a new language. This activity helps students to pronounce the words correctly. And to sum up, this method focuses on listening and speaking skills, the use of visual aims, and teaching vocabulary. Also, it is very easy to implement in large groups. And finally, the correct pronunciation and the structure is acquired in this method. So this is all, and thank you.